Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch the full lecture. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In our last video, we just watched about the advantages of GST, where we had 6 advantages. But let us also discuss about the disadvantages of GST. Even this GST tax structure also has some of the loopholes. It has some of the disadvantages. Now, in this particular video, let us discuss about the disadvantages of the GST. So there are only 3 disadvantages, whereas advantages we had 6 advantages, but disadvantages is only 3. That means we can say that the GST is more advantageous only. But let us also think about what in all the disadvantages it is there. The larger tax burdens on SMEs means the small and micro, small medium industry enterprises. Next, compliance burden, tax compliance burden is it, then increased cost. Let us see about in depth. The larger tax burden on SMEs. So, under the previous tax structure, only businesses with yearly sales of more than rupees 1 crore was obligated to pay excise duty. Under the new tax structure, business having annual sales of more than rupees 40 lakh are obligated to pay GST. So, before the GST was coming, only those businesses which was earning more than 1 crore in a year was supposed to pay the excise duty. But after this GST has come, all businesses which is earning more than 40 lakh annual sales, which is having an annual sales of value of 40 lakh in a year, it has to pay the GST. So the small businesses, small enterprises or medium enterprises, it is a larger burden for them. ಸೊ ಜಿ ಎಸ್ ಟಿ ಬರೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ 1 ಕೋಟಿಗಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ದುಡ್ಡನ್ನ ಸಂಪಾದಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯೋ ಅಥವಾ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯೋ ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ, ಆ ಒಂದು ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ಗಳು ಮಾತ್ರ ಜಿ ಎಸ್ ಟಿನ ಕಟ್ಟಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಬಟ್ ಜಿ ಎಸ್ ಟಿ ಇಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವ ಯಾವ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ 40 ಲಕ್ಷಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯೋ ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ, ಆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ಗಳು ಕೂಡ ಜಿ ಎಸ್ ಟಿನ ಕಟ್ಟಬೇಕಾದಂತಹ ಅನಿವಾರ್ಯತೆ ಇದೆ. ಇದರಿಂದ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಈ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಸ್ಕೇಲ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮೀಡಿಯಂ ಸ್ಕೇಲ್ ಎಂಟರ್ಪ್ರೈಸಸ್ ಗಳಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬಾ ಬರ್ಡನ್ಗಳಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ತುಂಬಾ ಕಷ್ಟಗಳಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಒಂದು ಡಿಸ್ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜಸ್. Second disadvantage is compliance burden. Due to failing of 3 tax returns every month, due to filing, sorry, that is filing, due to filing of 3 tax returns every month, GST compliance is quite high. Also, companies must now register for GST in all states where they conduct business. The entire process of registering with a regulatory body, producing GST compliance invoices, keeping digital records, and filing returns have put a tremendous amount of stress on SMEs and others. So, in every month, 3 times they have to file the tax returns. And what happens in which and all the states they're conducting the business, in all those states they should register their business under GST portal. So all this registration process, filing process, returning process, it may be difficult for the small and micro enterprises. So that's a compliance burden. ಸೊ ಪ್ರತಿ ತಿಂಗಳು ಮೂರ್ ಬಾರಿ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ಸ್ ನ ಫೈಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ, ಜಿ ಎಸ್ ಟಿ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ಸ್ ನ. ಸೊ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಈಗ ಕಂಪನಿ ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಗಳಲ್ಲೂ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ ಪೋರ್ಟಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಏನಾದಾಗ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್, ಫೈಲಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್, ಈ ಇನ್ವಾಯ್ಸಸ್ ಅಂತೆ ಡಿಜಿಟಲ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಫೈಲಿಂಗ್ಸ್, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಪಾಪ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಂ ಎಂಟರ್ಪ್ರೈಸಸ್ ಗಳಿಗೆ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಡಿಸ್ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಜಿ ಎಸ್ ಟಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, the last disadvantage is increased cost. GST requires businesses to change their present accounting software to GST compliance software in ERP in order to keep their operations running. The cost of obtaining, installing, and training employees on how to use GST compliance software, on the other hand, might be substantial. Furthermore, since most businesses are required to hire tax professionals in order to become GST compliant, small business cost of doing have been increased. So what happens? Still now they'll be following some other ERP or some accounting software. But now as GST has been implemented, they have to change their software to GST which supports GST. So they have to purchase new software, they have to install new software, they need to train the employees about how to use the new software. So all these costs have been increased. Further, most businesses are required to hire tax professionals. So what happens? They should even hire the tax professionals so that it will tell business, it will guide the business. So this affects the small businesses cost. It does increase the cost of small businesses. ಈಗ ಜಿ ಎಸ್ ಟಿ ಬಂದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಬೇರೆ ಒಂದು ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ನ ಬಳಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು, ಬೇರೆ ಒಂದು ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಬಳಸ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಕಂಪ್ನಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ. ಜಿ ಎಸ್ ಟಿ ಬಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಜಿ ಎಸ್ ಟಿ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಅವರು ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಫೀಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಕಟ್ಟಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಆ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ನ ಬಳಸೋದು ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಖರ್ಚುಗಳು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಬಿದ್ದಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಮೋರ್ ಓವರ್ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಖರ್ಚುಗಳು ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮೀಡಿಯಂ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಬಿದ್ದಾಗ ಆ ಒಂದು ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ಗಳು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. Now, in order to give the conclusion, the introduction of GST in India, which took effect on July 1st, 2017, was a game-changing reform that altered the way companies were conducted in the country. The reform has been warmly received by all the stakeholders. More entrepreneurs are entering the formal structure as a result of the GST regime. A massive transformation like this is going to cause some difficulty. For the Indian economy, the benefits of this mirror inconvenience will be numerous and long-lasting. So some have inconvenience and some have the some entrepreneurs are encouraged to enter the formal structure, and it has been brought a drastic changes. So these are all about the disadvantages of GST. Hope you have understood about the disadvantages of GST. In my next video, I'll come back with more topics. Till then, keep watching my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button. So whenever I post a new video, so you'll get the immediate notification. Thank you for watching the video. I'll come back with the next video.
If you have any queries regarding today's session, kindly send your queries to education.mbroadcast@gmail.com.